In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your money back from the Apple App Store, which is really helpful if you accidentally purchased an app or in-app subscription that you didn't intend to. First, open the settings on your iPhone, iPad, or even on a Mac or PC. At the top of your settings, tap your name to access your Apple ID account. Once you're in your Apple account settings, scroll down until you see Media and Purchases. Tap on Media and Purchases, and then tap on View Account. Here, you'll see all of your account details and options. One of the important sections is Purchase History, so tap on Purchase History to see a full list of every app, in-app purchase, and subscription you've bought. Find the purchase you want a refund for and tap on it. At the bottom, you'll see an option that says Report a Problem. Tap that. This will open up a website, reportaproblem.apple.com, where you'll authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once you're signed in, you'll see the purchase you selected, and you can choose Request a Refund. You'll then be prompted to explain why you're requesting a refund, so just type in a brief reason, like, "I didn't mean to buy this," and tap Next. Make sure the correct purchase is selected, and then tap Submit. Apple usually responds within a day or two, and in most cases, they approve the refund. You can repeat this process for any other purchases you need to get refunded. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.